Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying prerequisites and grabbing the minimal tools you need. This saves hours later. Install the editor, debugger, package manager, and linters so you can run and test code immediately. Initialize a Git repository and create a simple branch strategy, then add basic CI and commit hooks to enforce quality. Once done, scaffold a minimal project layout and run a Hello World build. Make sure to fix any environment mismatches before moving on. You now implement the core functionality by splitting work into small, testable tasks. This reduces risk and clarifies progress. Create a feature branch and write unit tests first or alongside implementation, then commit often with meaningful messages. Run the CI pipeline after pushes and address failures quickly. This keeps the main branch stable. Once tests pass, refactor for readability and performance while keeping behavior unchanged. Because clean code speeds future changes, and you complete the cycle by opening a pull request, documenting changes, and tagging the release. This creates a clear handoff. Deploy to staging and run smoke tests, then promote to production while monitoring logs, errors, and performance metrics. If something goes wrong, reproduce the issue locally, use Git bisect to find the problematic commit, and apply a focused hotfix. Communicate status to stakeholders, then add tests or guards so the same problem is less likely to recur. Prevention saves time later.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.